Such an attractive example, one you do not see every day. And this is the first new shape Land Rover Range Rover Sport that we've had in Firenze Red, which transforms this car for me. It's such a great colour, and I think with the modern styling the car's got, it looks and it just works so well. So this is the 2021 21 plate Range Rover Sport D300 Silver Edition with the added feature of an opening tilt and slide sunroof. But the Silver Edition is the new facelifted model, if you like, that Land Rover did, with a new engine, a 3-litre diesel engine, which gives you 300 horsepower, hence the title. So it's got that current shape. It's got some lovely little features like heated steering wheel, refrigerator, heated front and rear seats, the dynamic wheels, but the car works so well in this colour. And I saw the car this morning when it came into stock, and I just thought, wow, that's just going to sell straight away, because somebody out there doesn't want a black one, doesn't want a silver one, doesn't want a grey one, the common colours you get in these cars, and it's a standout car for me. We're pricing it at £74,990. The car's covered just 9,000 miles. It's had one owner from new, and it's presented in an immaculate condition. From the front, the Silver Edition has got some little subtle styling features like the anthracite badging and grille, this bottom section all in anthracite, the dynamic headlights, which have got the sweeping indicators, and they've got that front and rear. So it's got the bigger, beefier styling to the front and the rear. But the car is just an incredible condition car, beautiful colour, 21-inch dynamic wheels which are polished with the black inserts. Again, the anthracite and black inserts throughout the car. Fixed side steps, painted bottom section to the doors. And then the Silver Edition, little styling changes they've done, anthracite round the door handles just to match the autobiography. It's a stunning car, privacy glass, notice the sunroof, tilts and slides, big option on a car like this. And then round the back, the styling's just great. I mean, for the colour, Firenze Red it's basically like a red wine colour, but I think it just works. All these colours blending in, the grey, the black, the red, especially the bottom section of the car. I love this car. I think it's such a classy head-turning car. Power-operated tailgate, of course, in the back. The Range Rover Sport always has a great boot capacity. Seats go down as well, but for a quality four-wheel drive car, Range Rover do it so right. The styling of the car. I mean, this car's under Land Rover warranty until 2024, so it's got all that. And then we've got the ebony interior with it broken up with the ivory sections. The rear seats are heated. Beautiful armrest that comes down. Such a comfortable car to be driven around in. But, you know, these cars are all about driving them. It's fast, it's fuel efficient, it's a great drive. Memory seats for driver and passenger. Like I said, heated front seats. The sunroof is the biggest feature for me on this car. You know, lots of them either don't have a glass roof or just come with a glass roof. The tilt and sliding option is something that you have to buy as an extra. So are things like the fixed side steps. They're like a nice thing to have. They do work on a car like this. It is, I'll show you now as I jump in the car, it is something that you do need on this car because you will use it getting in and out of it because it is high up. Another thing that I do love about these cars is the fact that you get a great driving position and the armrests. You know, if anyone's owned a Range Rover before, they'll know that these are all really important features. It feels like you're cruising around and almost like in an armchair with that rest, which you can raise and lower just through that twisty dial there. Steering wheel is two-tone as well, Napa leather centre. The dynamic steering wheel slightly smaller with the silver centre round. Heated steering wheel, important feature. Cruise control, lane departure warning and Bluetooth controls. Digital interface behind the dashboard, obviously switchable. Oh, you know, I'm going to talk about it again. The sunroof's just such a big option. Also the blind for your convenience to shut that off. Light headlining in this car, which again I think works because against the red outside and the black and two-tone ivory interior inside, that's great. And then under the armrest, you know, what are you going to put in there? Cokes or whatever, a refrigerator, champagne maybe, I don't know, but it's such a great feature. Switchable four-wheel drive selections down here. You've got your air suspension here, reversing camera. You know, you get everything on one of these sports. Climate controls, all digital. Your front seat selections are heated, easy to do. And then your interface, navigation, Bluetooth, phone interface, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You know, the cars come with everything, and that's why they're the best four-wheel drives you can buy. I don't know, they're just luxurious. This one in this colour, is just a standout car. There's not many, if that, this might be the only one of these available on a 21 plate or even a new shape one. The older shape you could get Firenze Red quite often, but the new shape, it's just nothing out there like this. And I think that'll sell this car. 74,990, 9,000 miles, excellent condition, with a sliding sunroof, with all the features you get from the Silver Edition. This is an incredible car. My name's Richard. I'd love to speak to you about this car. You can call me on my number on the screen. You can WhatsApp me or text me. I'll reply to you straight away. Thanks for watching.